Welcome back. This video is about the orange attack path, LogonScripts, and where we left off in the last video is building an SSH backdoor through the bashrc file. The next item we want to do to add persistence is we would like to create, in the exploit that we used for QDPM, it added a web shell or a backdoor into the uploads users folder. So that's a cool method, but the administrator may go out and find that backdoor. So what we want to do is we want to add a simple backdoor to a different location in the website, so that if we lost if the bad guys or the good guys found out we are putting our web shell in uploads users, we could move that to uploads attachments, which is another folder, or we could move it to any folder location where the www data user has the ability to write to that folder. So first off, to find a simple web shell, to not be complex, there's a web shell under user share web shells php simple backdoor.php. So we want to take that web shell and modify it. So you can notice that I have modified that simple backdoor.php because originally it's about 12 lines, maybe more, maybe less, to one line. So by catting sb.php, you can see I've pushed everything into one line. And then I've taken that one line and I've base64 encoded it with no wrapping of the line. So that's what -w0 is. And then I've copied this base64 code into the cron tab. So earlier we talked about using cron tab -u for www data and editing it. So as the vagrant user, from an elevated, you can execute this command. And with executing this command, you can add this cron tab of 55 ****. So 55 means it will execute every hour at the minute of 55. And it will execute every day of the week, every month, it'll execute every hour, every day of the month, every month, and every day of the week. So what I'm doing here is I'm echoing the base64 here of my web shell, base64 decoding it and pushing it out to var www html uploads attachments attach.php. So if the good guys remove the web shell, or the blue team, then the red team has the ability to, every hour at the 55th minute, that this web shell will be added back, and they can regain access to the web server through a scheduled task on the www data user account. And those are the tasks that I would like you to execute for this part of the attack path. And just a quick review. We're adding a SSH backdoor through the bashrc file. Use my blogspot to pull down the bash code that you can place in the file. You're welcome to create your own code and be creative there. I encourage that. And then the other thing is we're taking the file from user share web shells php simple backdoor.php on a Kali box. And then we're base64 encoding it, placing a scheduled task that will run every 55th minute of an hour, and then decoding that simple backdoor and placing it in the folder of var www html, where the website is located, in the uploads folder under attachments and attach php. So I can quickly show that. Here's my QDPM website. I can go under uploads, and again, it shouldn't be showing a directory listing, but it does. Here's my attachments. Here's attached PHP. And the backdoor, again, is similar, where you just do a question mark, cmd equals ls minus lha / and here's the directory listing of the root directory. All right, have a good day. Thank you for listening.